Hi there, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to host Tubi Academy. Today I'll show you how to rename collections in Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Products. Just click it. In the Products submenu, select Collection. This opens a page listing all your created collections. To rename a collection, it's simple. Just click on the one you want to change. This opens its edit page. Here, find the title option. Click the current title, delete it, and type the new one. After entering the new title, scroll down and click Save on the right. Once saved, your collection is successfully renamed. You can also change the name in the URL if needed. To change the URL, simply return to the collection. Below, you'll find the SEO option. Click the pencil icon to open the SEO page. At the bottom, you'll see the URL field you can edit. Just change it to the new name. When you delete, it'll add correctly and create a redirect URL below. We leave it checked so the old URL redirects to the new collection. After that, just come back and click Save. You've successfully renamed a collection in your store. I hope this video helped. Bye!